I'm impressed. Not quite as good as Snap-on, but dang freaking close. Got an email back from Proto Tools. They said to call their customer service line. The phone number for that is 1-800-800-TOOL or 8665. Here's a look at the email I sent off to Proto's warranty department. I did include a link to photos of the impact socket. Okay, we'll give Proto a call. Let's see what they say.
Thank you for calling Proto Industrial Tools. Your call may be monitored and recorded for training purposes. Hi, thank you for calling Proto. My name is Grady. How may I help you?
Yeah, I need to send in a tool for warranty.
Okay, do you mind if I get that part number for you there?
Yeah, number is 7326H.
Okay, perfect. Let me get that pulled up real quick. And then, if you don't mind me asking, who did I have the pleasure of speaking to today?
My name is Carson.
Carson, alrighty, Carson. Let's see here. Perfect. So I have that one coming up as a impact socket there. It's a 1/2-inch drive and a 3/16 with 6-point.
13/16.
Or sorry, 13/16. Sorry about that.
Yes, and a 6-point.
Okay. Yeah, no worries. So, with that one there, I can go ahead and help you out with placing that warranty replacement. Do you mind if I get a, what's it called? A address so that we can go ahead and ship that to you?
Okay, yeah, that sounds great. You just need my address?
Yes, please.
Address is...
Okay. Let me see here. Perfect. Okay, and then if you don't mind, Carson, can you also give me last name and a phone number that they can reach you at in case of, like our carrier, like whether that's UPS or whoever, having some issues delivering the product, we can call you.
Yeah, last name is... And phone number is...
Perfect. Okay, let me see here. Alright, perfect. Everything looks good here on my end. Let me just enter the order for you here, and then I can give you your confirmation number, so then you can follow up on that to get any sort of updates.
Okay.
Perfect. And so your confirmation order number is...
Okay, wonderful.
Just give it about like anywhere from 7 to 10 business days for it to arrive. If it exceeds that and we still don't hear anything, call back and reference that order number, and we can, give you any sort of updates.
Okay, perfect.
All right. Did you have any other questions or concerns for me today, Carson?
That's it. Thank you.
My pleasure. You have a great rest of your day, and thank you for calling Proto. Bye.
Bye. Wow. I'm impressed. Not quite as good as Snap-on, but dang freaking close. So 7 to 10 days. I think Snap-on was 3 to 5 days or 5 to 7 days. It's a little bit longer to ship back. Their call wait time was unbelievable. I think that phone call lasted 4 minutes. If you haven't watched my Matco video, I was on hold for 20 minutes before I was even able to speak to a person. So really quick, really responsive. They're not even gonna make me send in this old one. They're just sending me a new one, and they're gonna warranty replace it. It's only one tool, so they're not gonna hassle with it. I'm sure if I was sending in more like I did a Snap-on, maybe they would ask for more from me. But pretty simple, pretty easy, and pretty pleased with Proto. First time experience with them. We'll see if they hold up to their word and if we get that new tool in the next 7 to 10 days. In all honesty, this tool is really not that bad off. Honestly, I feel kind of guilty asking for a replacement one. I really wanted to compare as many of these tool brands as I could And Proto Tools is one that I had a tool of that I wanted to see if they could, if I needed to send it in for warranty, if they'd send it back. As far as quality, I inherited this tool. I don't know how used and abused this one is, but I've got a lot of snap-ons, you know, all those snap-on tools I sent off. Those were really used and abused and really bad off. This is an impact socket, and this thing looks brand new. It's got some surface rust. It does have somewhere where your 1/2 inch drive goes in, but it's really not bad for this type of tool and for the use. And the end here looks really good as well. So really pleased with Proto and their warranty process. They wanted to take care of me, and really no haggle warranty process. Professional tools, taking care of their customers. Never really heard a whole lot about Proto, but obviously they're standing behind the product, so that's really cool.